accelerate faster, brake quicker, better wheelies, quicker direction change, better fuel economy, and save money? What is this mythical mod that nobody's talking about? Diet. I mean, come on. Welcome back to Kairyu Rider, where diet and exercise is on the menu. And it's not a free modification, it saves money. You're spending less on junk food, and while not spending that money, you'll spend less on fuel. You'll get better performance. You'll be able to control the bike better. And to be clear, I am not fat shaming you. Your fuel economy is. In the last few months, I have lost 14 kilograms. But to be clear, I did not lose weight for the bike. That's an added bonus. As you've seen in some of my previous videos, we're expecting a new bundle of joy. And being an American, overweightness is a bit of an issue, especially as a white guy in Japan. If you are significantly overweight, your children have an 80 to 90% chance of being significantly overweight. So I want to be an inspirational father. Hi. Well, now I'm getting stopped by the cops. And an overweight parent has a 90% chance of having an overweight kid. And I don't want that. But the added bonuses to the bike is why we're here today. And think about it. How many people spend how much money on a titanium exhaust, aluminum everything, and a lithium-ion battery? And the guy in the video is, let's call him thick in the midsection. I mean, you really want to save weight. Your body is the biggest weight additive on your bike. This is the cheapest mod with the biggest benefits, and I am not even talking about health benefits. I am purely and solely talking about bike performance benefits. And most people don't want to do it because it takes effort, it takes discipline, a lot more than plugging in your credit card to RevZilla or some other website to just buy some parts you can bolt on one afternoon. And I am not saying I am holier than thou. That is a perfect description of me. And I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's good for your health, or it's good for the way you'll physically perform on the bike, or how you'll perform if you're in a crash. Because I'm not a doctor, so I'm not going to say any of that. What I will tell you is when I was in university and had my crash at 72 miles an hour, my doctor did say, the majority of my lack of injury is down to having a great helmet and the fact that I was in such good shape, my body could stand up to the crash better than average. But anecdotal evidence is just evidence of an anecdote. So take your money, your life, and your well-being into your own consideration. I am going to try to lose about 6 more kilos. But for you, you want to stay thick and warm in the winter? Live your best life. And if you're already fit, sorry, I mean, you're not going to be able to lose much more weight that way, but you're already probably faster than your friends on the same bike. But till next time, ride safe, don't get stopped by the cops, and keep watching Kairyu Rider. At least GoPro didn't randomly turn off this time.